This is what we felt, the desire to return to life. The atmosphere was completely different. Of course, people are still living in the tents in very miserable conditions. Most of the schools are still closed, the hospitals, problems. There is no anymore famine, hunger, all these things. Things are entering, not everything, but it's it's a totally different situation compared to 6 months ago at least. Till now, they were in a kind of survival mode. Now, all the questions, also maybe the tiredness of these 2 years is coming out, and the questions about the future are there, and very concrete. When they rebuild, the reconstruction, the conditions. I hope that the Trump plan, I don't know what it's called, will continue. We know that it's very, it's not that simple as people think, but it's the only roadmap we have, so we have to continue with this.